What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video we're going to be working with Mslynn hair. I was sent this 22-inch 13x4 frontal wig, and y'all, this hair honestly was so easy to freaking straighten. I was honestly surprised. And y'all, can y'all tell me what's different in this video? Your girl don't have baby hair, and I feel so weird, but I kind of like the natural look. Like, I kind of like it, but oh, I feel so weird. I just probably gotta get, I gotta get used to it. But I'm kind of jacking the baby hair look, and I didn't really pluck my hair way too much because, like I said, I want it to be natural. Cause nobody real hairline is like the way we be plucking frontal. So I gave it like a real natural hairline or whatever, and yeah, I'm kind of jacking it. Like I said, I feel a little weird, but I'll probably get over it with some lashes. And yeah, but this hair is real smooth, real silky. It's giving Dominican blowout. I love. I'm not sure what density hair this is, but it's giving natural. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too thin and it's not too hot. Like, you know how some hair would be too hot to wear in the summertime? It's not hot. Like, this hair is real light. I don't know how to explain it. For my girls who wear weaves, y'all know what I'm saying. I did a glueless wig install for my girlies who don't want to use the glue and all that stuff, because I feel like I only do glueless installs with closures because it is easier. If you feel like you're not comfortable with doing a glueless install with a frontal, don't do it. It's not hard, but it's like, it's just extra steps. It's not as easy as a closure. But Mslynn hair, I'm jacking it. I love it. It's real soft. Clearly, I can't stop running my hands through it. Yeah, if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Oh, and yeah, I highly recommend this hair. This hair is real easy to work with. It's real manageable. It's not too much. I barely had any tingling, to be honest. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.